passive income strategy that you would never guess. And with this passive income strategy allows you to earn 10% on your money, to stay liquid at all times, and to be able to cash out in case of emergencies. Most people don't really talk about this stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you know in this short little video, investing in other people's debt. You have platforms such as Prosper and Ground Floor that you can start with a little less, $25, and start investing. And it may take you some time, maybe till you get up to maybe $500 to $1,000 before you see a small monthly passive income in interest. And unlike these 401ks that claim to pay you 8% interest, these type of new investment platforms pay you monthly, and you can see the interest that you've earned on your money invested, which I believe is a great reason. This is way better than the stock market, way better than investing in 401k plans, is because you can see the difference. I mean, I just had a conversation with a friend of mine that had quite a substantial amount of money in 401k plan. Of course, he's been invested in it for approximately, like, I don't know, maybe 25 years. And I said, well, how much it make you a month? They couldn't even answer that. But I gave him the answer to how much I'm earning, and my Ground Floor and my alternative investments, which I get to see every month, and you can do the same too. If you would like to know more, subscribe to the channel, check out my videos. Have a nice day.